Hey guys, so today I want to talk about lower back pain. And lower back pain is very, very common, but there could be a myriad of causes of that lower back pain. But today I want to mainly focus on stretching the quadratus lumborum, which is the muscle. It's two big muscles next to your spine that cause back pain and back stiffness. But actually, before we get into that, let me teach you how I was taught how to solve things like back pain or even any joint pain. So anytime you have any pain in any joint, the pain is usually caused, even muscles, the pain is usually caused by something above or below. So joint pain, look above and look below to try to solve the pain point there. And like I said, even with muscles, sometimes if you have a muscle pain here, it could be caused from something above or below. So I'll give you a real life example of something I've been dealing with. So I've either plantar fasciitis or something like plantar fasciitis where I'm having pain in the lowest part of my foot and it's mid-foot but just shifted a little further back closer to the heel. And I've been having this pain all year for a few months now, and I've tried things like I've tried foam rolling the bottom of my foot. I've tried trigger point, so standing on a ball on the bottom of my foot, rolling it out. I've tried hot treatment. I've tried cold treatment, but the pain still exists. Now, I've solved the pain, and guess what I did to solve the pain down there? I actually loosened up the calf. So I figured, with the help of some professionals and some practitioners, that my pain down here is caused by tight calves. So my tight calves are pulling on the muscles down there. So to fix that pain down there, I did trigger point therapy on my calf, and I do massages on my calf, and then instantly my calf tightens up. So my lifestyle has changed to where I'm doing a lot of jumping, a lot of skipping, which is why I have the tight calves. So this is a stretch that I do 3, 4, 5 times a day. I'll just stretch my calf in different ways, and then instantly my pain is gone. And because my lifestyle, makes the muscle tight, it's not a stretch at one time and I'm healed. So what I'm going to show you with the lower back, this is something you might have to do multiple times a day for, an extended period of time. And yeah, all right, so let's get right into it. First stretch, we're going to spread our feet and then lean forward about 20 degrees. Our chest is still up, and that left hand is going to reach for the right foot. Take a deep breath out. And I'm feeling the stretch right down here and even a little bit of my lat. So we're opening up the lower back. We're going to hold there for about 10 seconds. And switch. Other side. It's easy if you go up and over. That way you get the antenna muscle instead of always stretching the lat. Four, 3, 2. And I'm going to show you a few more things to open up the lower back in that area. So let's do a lumbar twist where we're on our back. Shoulders are flat, knees together, ankles together. And then drop those feet to the side. Breathe into your stretch. And switch. This one particular stretch I do every single day, and I have had back pain in the past, and this loosens me up. This makes me feel good. Sometimes I feel a pop in the back, and I get on with my day, I get on with my life. Okay, let me show you one more deep stretch. This one you can grab maybe a pole or post, whatever you can get your hands around. I'm going to breathe out, curve my back. And then what I'm going to do is open this right foot up. And additionally, I'm going to open that side of my body up. And I'm pretty much opening up my lower back and stretching into it by opening the foot and twisting a little bit in the opposite direction. And then, of course, I'll balance it out. So for the left side, foot over to the right, and then tilt the body to the right. and relax. So those are a few stretches you can do multiple times a day to open up your quadratus lumborum and other lower back muscles that usually cause stiffness in the back. Additionally, again, if your pain is here, your pain here might be caused by something here, something here, something here, or something here. So you could have tight hip flexors, you could have weak glutes, you could even have tight lats. So it's not always directly caused by the area you're having your pain. Look at other areas of your body and try to diagnose. Of course, I'm not saying don't go to a practitioner, a professional practitioner. However, some things you could diagnose by yourself. Test it out. What's your lifestyle? What might be tight? What might be weak? And all the best.